Now on the economic front, here in South Korea, Samsung has shared some dismal earnings figures for the first quarter of this year amid the lackluster performance in the global chip market. Meanwhile, operating profit for LG surpassed that of Samsung for the first time on the back of strong performance in home appliances. Our business correspondent Shin Ha-young has the latest.
First quarter profit for South Korean tech giant Samsung Electronics almost halved from the previous year amid continued sluggish global chip demand. The company on Thursday reported an operating profit of around 640 billion Korean won, which at the current rate is roughly $477 million, a dramatic drop of 95.5% on year. The figure dropped below the 1 trillion won level for the first time in 14 years. Sales for the same period plunged by about 18% on year to 63.7 trillion won or $47.5 billion. The latest results were mainly driven by weaker performance in the industry due to the global economic slowdown. Memory chip prices are falling as demand drops and inventories swell. In fact, operating losses for the company's chip business came to almost 4.6 trillion won or $3.4 billion. It's the first time Samsung's chip department has posted a deficit since the global financial crisis in 2009. Chip sector sales came to around 14 trillion won or $10 billion, down nearly 50% from the previous year. The company predicts sluggish demand to continue in the second quarter as well, but to gradually rise in the second half of this year, with performance expected to recover during that period. On the other hand, another tech giant, LG Electronics, also posted an on-year decline in its operating profit, but was strong enough to surpass Samsung. The company's first quarter operating profit came to around 1.5 trillion won, or roughly $1 billion, down by almost 23% from the previous year. Its sales saw a slight decrease amounting to 20 trillion won, or around $15.3 billion, marking the second biggest among any other Q1 sales. The results were due to its strong performance in home appliances, which exceeded the 1 trillion won level for the first time. Shin Ha-young, Arirang News.